SexyLashes.com explains how to maintain eyelash extensions in this article. Tips include: pick your eyelash extensions carefully. By regularly cleaning them, oil residue can be removed and their lifespan can be prolonged. This NJ Lash Studios believe it is their responsibility to keep their customers safe and to provide them with good eyelash extension advice. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click on the link in the description to learn more. Get updates by subscribing.